Yo guys, welcome back to HumbleFx, and today I'm giving to you guys a robot that you can use to trade on your Deriv wallet. Alright, this is robot is actually for free. You are going to get this for free, yes. But before you get this for free, you have to watch the video to the end so you know exactly what to do to get it for free. Alright guys, so this robot is amazing. You could see that so far so good in this account. We actually got something reasonable here. This is already $2, and you see this is the lowest lot size we can use. This is the lowest lot size we can use on this robot. So it's that simple, guys. It's that very simple, guys. So how are you going to install this robot? Before I proceed, let us go ahead and install this robot. So how do we install this robot? First of all, you go ahead, if you open your account, you click on this trade dot line here. All right, you are going to see this place. You click on the debots. All right, you click on the debots. All right, then the next page I will show to you. Let me make it possible. Let me stop this robot. Let me stop it first. I will stop it. So the next thing that I will show, if you click on the debots, is going to be uh, the strategy points. Let me go back. All right, you click on this particular place here. This is import. This thing here is import. That is for those that don't know how to do it. So this is import. You click on that. Now you click on the select Excel MS file. You click on that and you select it from your device. So when you get it on your device, you tap on it and open it. All right, so after you open it, the next thing you're going to see is these settings here. Okay, so you can actually put in, this is profits. This is the amount of profits we want to make. So you can change it to any amount you want to change, maybe 20, 10, 5 or thereabout. But you can make it 5, 10 and thereabout. This is the stake, the amount you want to enter. Make these two things the same thing. Okay, so after this is your stop loss. All right, the stop loss, you put it there. Don't change anything around here, just make changes to this one, the one you would like to change, and after that you are good to go. And you click on the run. Okay, you click on the run button and the run start, it continues to run. All right, so the beauty part of it is that the margin single is just times 2. So if you are losing a trade, it will only multiply by 2. It's not more than that. So that is just the beauty of it. And you can use the smaller lot size of 0.35, and you can also work it on a $10 or any smaller account you can think of. Okay, you can see that once it lose a trade, it doubles the lot size to a bigger lot size. Alright, so it does not lose much at a time. All right, so that is how simple and effective that this robot can be. So to get this robot is very simple. Comment on the comment section. Check on this video description. You are going to see a link to my Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel, because that is where I'm going to drop this robot. Okay, if you not join it, if you don't join the channel, you will not get this robot. So don't send me a message on Telegram or on WhatsApp, because I'm not going to respond to you. So because if I say that, I'll get a lot of messages on my Telegram handle, which I will not attend to. So join the Telegram channel on this video description. Okay, so that you can be able to get it when I drop it on the Telegram channel. All right, and like this video. Very importantly, this robot it will drop on that channel once this video gets to 1,000 views. All right, the robot is going to drop in the channel as soon as this video gets to 1,000 views. So you can actually keep sharing the videos, like the video, share, comment, give a very good comment on that, so that will make the YouTube algorithm share it to others also. All right, that is the only thing you do to me. And make sure you are a subscriber. Be a subscriber. It is very important. All right, you see that we are trading anything live here, and you've seen it is going up and down, profit loss and all that. So now we have entered loss, but we are going to recover that as soon as possible. So this robot is not a holy grace robot, but it's actually worth it, guys. It's really worth it. Now the equity you need to run this robot, if you have equity of 10, 20, 50 and above, is very important, because you see that we had losses here. So that's why you don't need to put in a very big loss size, because you want to make more profit. So you can take a risk that you know you can take. Simple as that. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, I remain HumbleFx. Alright guys, that is just that about that. This robot will drop on the channel once the video gets to 1,000 views and all that. So don't forget to follow the page, to like the video, subscribe and comment. Alright, and then join the Telegram channel on this video description so that you can be able to be among those that will get this robot as soon as it drops. Peace out.